In this video, we will discuss the different ways of managing data in Martini. Software vendors have their own APIs, and these APIs can be in different formats. This becomes a challenge when using APIs from multiple vendors. Martini solves this problem by having an out-of-the-box support for consuming, validating, transforming, and writing data to and from SQL, XML, JSON, YAML, CSV, and Excel. What you are seeing right now is an XML file, and this is the Gloop service that will be consuming the XML file. The service returns an array of student models. The student model in particular is generated from an XML string earlier. This is our main service. This step allows us to get data from the XML file. Then in this step, we pass values from one model to another using the Datamapper. It also uses set expressions to perform custom value assignments. The last step simply writes the records to a JSON file. Now let's run our service. Then go to our resources directory and refresh. If we open the newly generated JSON file, we'll be able to see our records in JSON format with the newly added property. That's pretty neat, but what if we wanted to retrieve or store data to a database? No problem, Martini has the ability to connect to a SQL and NoSQL database. What you are seeing right now is the MongoDB connection form. Let's start this connection. And this is the MongoDB query editor. Let's run this query to fetch all of our records from MongoDB. In order to run this query from a Gloop service, we need to create a Gloop MongoDB service. You can also create other types of services aside from MongoDB, like flat files, SQL, and Cassandra. I've already created a Gloop MongoDB service in advance. In our main service, we'll replace the XML service with the MongoDB service. Before continuing, let's delete the unnecessary files. Now run the service and refresh the resources directory. We can now see our newly generated JSON file containing the MongoDB records. Those are the different ways you can manage data in Martini. Thank you and see you on the next video.